Okay, we need to multiply and simplify. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be distributing this 4 square root of 3 into 2 square root of 6, multiplying those two, and then 4 square root of 3 into square root of 15. So if it's easier, you might want to just write it out, 4 square root of 3 times 2 square root of 6 plus 4 square root of 3 times the square root of 15. Now, when you're multiplying radical terms like this, what we're going to do is we multiply the numbers in front. So we multiply 4 by 2, and then we multiply 3 by 6. So 4 times 2, we get 8. 3 times 6, we get 18. Plus, here we don't have another number in front of the square root of 15. If it makes you feel better, you can put a 1, so you're doing 4 times 1. But if there's nothing there, you just leave that number out front. So 4, then square root of 3 times square root of 15, we get square root of 45. Now it might feel like we're done, but notice it does say multiply and simplify. And even if it didn't say the simplify there, we definitely always want to check if we can simplify these further. So let's kind of take these off to the side. 18, if we're simplifying that, we can do 2 times 9 and 3 times 3. So we can see we'll have 2 times 3 times 3, square root of that, which means a 3 will come out because we can go 2 for 1, 2 3s, lets us bring 1 3 out, and a 2 on the inside. So this goes in place of the 18, but notice there is an 8 out front, so we have to multiply that 8. So 8 times 3 gives us 24 square root of 2. Square root of 45, we're going to get 3, and in fact, let's do it over here again. We'll get 3 and 15, which goes to 5 and 3. So if we're doing a 2 for 1, we have 3 times 3 times 5. Well, 2 3s will let us bring 1 3 out, and we're left with a square root of 5. So again, we have to multiply that 4 out front. So 4 times 3 square root of 5 is going to give us 12 square root of 5. And we still have the 24 square root of 2. Now, can we combine these terms together, 24 square root of 2 and 12 square root of 5? Well, no, we can't, because the square root of 2 and the square root of 5 have to be the same. The number under the square root has to be the same in order to combine like terms when you're adding and subtracting, and so this will be our final answer. Now, another thing you could have done, I'm just looking up here above at this step. I think what I would have done different is just done 4 square root of 3 times 6, or even taken 6 to 2 times 3. So it saves us having to factor again because it was already factored right there. But however you want to do it, it works. Just make sure you're multiplying the numbers out front, 4 by 2, and then the numbers under the square root together, 3 by 6.